What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Uh, Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you guys had a great start to the year. I sure did because I just bought a new laptop. Been needing one for a while, and I I decided to get it finally, so I can take my editing and things to the next level. So what I purchased, it's a Dell Inspiron 15. I think it's a 2020 model. I can't confirm or deny that. But it's a 15.6-inch display. It's touchscreen. It's a 3000 series. Model number is 3505. It's black. That was the only color they had in stock. I would love it. I would love to have it in silver, but you can't help what they have on the site. Uh, so it has an AMD Ryzen 5 5450U processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of 1 terabyte of hard drive space, and 256 gig solid state drive. So it's pretty solid, especially for $515 when I paid for it on BestBuy.com. It was $615, but it was actually $100 off on the site. So I got a steal there. I ordered it December 30th, this past Friday, and it arrived today. So FedEx for the win. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Here's the box it came in. Yep, there's the box that came in. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Got your AC adapter cords. Typical when you get a laptop these days. And the piece de resistance. Here we go. It's pretty light. It's not too heavy or anything like that. Go ahead and take this out of the plastic here. There we go. Woo. It says Inspiron on the back. Let's see what we got here. Voila. Take this off. It's nice. Keys are flushed. They're nice and clicky. I like this a lot. Let's go ahead and power this thing on, see if it has any battery in it. Gotta find the power button on this damn thing. Oh, here it is. Alright, so it is dead. So let's see if I can plug this in right quick. Okay. Sorry guys, I wasn't usually when you buy electronics they're somewhat charged when you buy them, but this isn't the case, unfortunately. Alright, where's the charging port on this thing? Here we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing set up right quick. So stand by, talk amongst yourselves. I shall return. All right, guys, I'm back. Had to throw my hoodie on. I ran to the store right quick. But so I want to give you, I guess, an overview of the actual computer here. It's pretty light. It's really thin. Yeah, it's very thin. I like this. It's not too bulky or anything like that. So on this side, you got your HDMI port. What is this? Ethernet port for you when you want to use your hardwire internet, which is faster, by the way. You got a USB port right here, another one, and a headphone jack. And on the back, or on the other side rather, you got your SD card reader and another USB. So that's pretty convenient. Got plenty of USB spots here. No USB Type-C though, so that's a downer, but you know, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and let me get logged in on this thing right quick. Put my pin in, there we go. So here's the actual screen. It's at maximum brightness. So it's the brightness on this, it's pretty bright, even in a pitch black room. Let me turn the light off right quick. Yeah, so even in pitch darkness, it's very bright. Only downside is there's no backlit keyboard, but I can type in the dark, so it's no big deal. Turn the light back on. So yeah, this thing is touchscreen, so let's double tap Chrome. I installed that, by the way. So yeah, Chrome's open. That's pretty legit. Let's go ahead and close this. And it's also voice activated as well. So I'm gonna give you a demonstration. Cortana, open Google Chrome.
All right. I'll open Google Chrome.
So yeah, it works. Cortana's still in the beta phase right now, so you know they're still working out the kinks and things, but it works. So it's pretty cool. But so far, my first impressions is this is very nice, especially for, you know, a sub $500 laptop. It pretty much does anything you want it to. And I'm gonna show you this too. Let me go into the storage menu. So in the solid state drive, sorry guys. So in the solid state drive, you got 256 gigs, you know, where the OS and things is. And then on the actual hard drive, it's a terabyte. So you got plenty of storage. So it's going to be quite difficult to run out of room. But, you know, if you do, that's what an external hard drive is for. So yeah, I really like this so far. I'm gonna do a full review on this, like put this thing to the test, like play some games on it, you know, test the speakers, that sort of thing when I play stuff. But you know, I just wanted this just to be a general unboxing, setup, and first impressions video. But yeah, I like this a lot. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's perfect for me. I have a mouse for this already. I just don't have it with me for the video because I'm not a big fan of trackpads. I never have for laptops. I always use a wireless mouse because it's just easier to navigate. But yeah, I like this a lot. You know, the keyboard is nice and clicky. I love the numpad on the side. I need that for, you know, business related stuff. You know, when I, you know, crunch in my numbers, because you know it's easier that way. But yeah, this is major go so far. So expect a full review within the month. Yeah, expect a full review on this, and I'll drop a link in the description if you would like to purchase this laptop as well. Like I said, I purchased it for approximately $519. It was $550 after taxes, which is pretty absurd for a computer with, you know, a terabyte hard drive, etc. So yeah, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe in the meantime. thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.